in this class, we're going to look at the second law of indices. The second law of what? Indices. Okay? What is it saying? It's saying, if we have something like this, say a raised to power, say 7, and we have another one that is, for instance, a raised to power 3. The law is saying, if there is any point in time that we have a raised to power 7 divided by a raised to power 3, the law is saying some people, what they will do, they will be wasting their time to say, this is a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, it's taking me too long to even write them out. Very long. What if you give me a raised to power 70? That's a problem. The law is saying, those guys will continue to say A for this denominator. Then they will do this cancel this, this cancel this, this cancel this. Then they will say it's equals to A, 1, 2, 3, 4. You put 4 here. This is the answer. We know it is the answer. Nobody is arguing with you that this is not the answer. You are correct, but the process of solving it like this is too long. So the law says, don't waste your time. What you should do is this. If you have a situation like this, simply say, this over this is equals to A, 7 minus 3, which is equals to A raised to power 4. This is shorter. What is the law now? The law is saying, as long as these bases are the same, remember, I can also express this as A raised to power 7 divided by A raised to power 3. So the law is saying, if there is something like this, with the same base like this, and there is division, separating them. If you want to make it 1, use minus for these guys. What are we saying? This family and this family, they want to come together. Use one of them to carry them, because this guy is carrying 7, A is carrying 3. Use one of them to carry them. Then, for these children, use minus to separate them. Why are we using minus? We are using minus because this is division. Remember, when here was multiplication, we used plus in our previous class. You can check the video. But for this one, because it is division that is separating them, you use minus to separate them. Let's see some instances to make it easier. Look at this one. We are asked to simplify this. Are the bases the same? Yes. If the bases are the same, and these two families, they want to come together as one family, one of the parents should carry them. Should carry the children. Because it's division that separated them, we use minus. If it was multiplication, we use plus. So therefore, we say 7 minus 5. You agree with me? This is 2 raised to the power 4. Let's continue. Look at this one. What is the meaning of this? There is nothing on top of this. Whenever you see a number, 1, 7, 10, 1,000, there is invisible raised to power 1 at the top, raised to power 1. Any number you ever see, there is invisible raised to power 1 on top of the number. Therefore, we are going to put 1 here. Okay? Now, the children are complete. These are the parents. Maybe they were fighting before. When they were fighting, they separated with this division. Now, there's reconciliation. For reconciliation to take place, one of the parents will carry the 2 children. Okay? This will still be here, but because of this division, we put minus here. This means 5 raised to the power 3. If you want to express this further, it's 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. You solve this, you know the answer, but let's leave it here. Okay? Look at this one. Very easy now, because I've explained a lot now, so no need to waste our time. You get the jigs? This and this are the same. You put it 11, because of this division, minus 6. If you subtract this and this, you have 5. Look at this. Don't worry yourself too much. If I were you, I will rearrange this. Okay? This is 24. This 4. Just rewrite. 4 here, 1, 4 here. What do you think? That is 6. It means, therefore, we have 6. So this 6 should be here. 1 A should come down to represent this A's because of this division. We say 9 minus 5, which is equal to 6 A. This minus this will give us what? 4. This is the answer. Finally, let's look at this. Don't worry yourself. If I see division here, I will simply rearrange it the way it will be easier for me to do. This also means over. Okay? No issue. With this you have done only, all you have to do now, 32 divided by 8 is what? Is 4. 1, 4. Okay? That means we have 4 now. What about these two guys? 7 and 7. We put multiply here because of this multiply. We put 7. One of the parents. This and this are the children. Means 3m minus 2n.